Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 6, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem from first method. Here in the first method we move the denominator term to the right hand side. So x minus 3 is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 6 and it will be written as 6 times of x minus 3. And now here further in the next step this will be written as x square minus 9 is equals to, here we multiply 6 on both of these two values and it will becomes here 6x minus 6 times 3 becomes here 18. And now further in the next step we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x square minus 9 minus 6x plus 18, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Here we need to add or subtract the like terms, and we have x square minus 6x, this is minus 9 plus 18 becomes here plus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as so this is the quadratic equation which is lies into the standard form. So here you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is by applying the factorization technique, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we just use the factorization technique to solve this equation, and here we easily make the factors of this equation. So that now first we need to break its middle term. So when we break its middle terms, we write this minus 6 as minus 3x minus 3x, and this is plus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplification, and here we need to take common x from first two terms, and when we take common x we get the remaining values are x minus 3, and when we take common minus 3 from here we get the remaining values are x minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to take common x minus 3, and when we take common x minus 3 we get the remaining values are x minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 3 equals to 0. So here you clearly see that we get the repeated roots, and that is 3 and 3. So here we get these are the two repeated roots of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now here in the next step we need to verify that which of the root are solution and which of the root are extraneous root. So for verification we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 6. So further in the next step we just substitute the value of x is equals to 3 into the left hand side. So we substitute the value of x into the left hand side, and it will be written as 3 square minus 9 divided by 3 minus 3 is equals to 6. So here we need little bit more simplifications. So this implies that 3 square becomes here 9 minus 9 divided by 3 minus 3 is equals to 6, and here we have 9 minus 9 becomes 0 over 0 equals to 6. And here you clearly see that in the left hand side we have this is the 0 by 0 form, or in other words we say that it is the indeterminate form, or in other words we say that 0 over 0 form be the undefined form. Okay, so this is called the undefined form, and if this is undefined this means that both the sides are not equal. and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes that the value of x is equals to 3 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that x equals to 3 be the extraneous root of the given equation. I hope so you very well know about that. The roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous root. So here we have x equals to 3 be the only one extraneous root, and you see here we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about the solutions out of this problem is that this question has no solution. Okay, so this is the our final answer, and final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem from second method. So in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 6. So this is our second method, and here in the second method we use this nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here first we rewrite our above equation as this is x square minus 9. We write 9 as 3 square and it is divided by x minus 3 is equals to 6. And here we apply the above formula to the numerator term, and after applying this formula it will be written as x minus 3 times of x plus 3 and it is divided by x minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 6. And further here in the next step you see that this x minus 3 and this x minus 3 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here x plus 3 is equals to 6. So here we need to move this 3 to the right hand side, and it will be written as x is equals to 6 minus 3. And here we easily get the value of x is equals to 3. So this is the only one root of the given equation which we get here from first method. So here in the first method we already verified that the value of x is equals to 3 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that x is equals to 3 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement, and here we finally conclude about that this question has no solution because we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting and interesting videos. Thank you so much and bye bye.